Surds are irrational numbers जिनके proper square and cube roots नहीं होते. They are irrational. And what is an irrational number? Irrational number की अगर आप decimal value निकालते हैं, so the decimal is neither terminating nor recurring. The decimal does not end and the decimal does not recur. सही है ना? तो that is what is called a surd. Example मैं देता हूँ, square root of 2, square root of 3, क्यूब रूट ऑफ 5. ये सारे सर्ड्स हैं हमारे पास जिनके प्रॉपर स्क्वायर ये क्यूब रूट्स हमारे पास नहीं होते. राइट दिस डाउन, फिर डील करना है. फॉर एग्जांपल पहले एडिशंस को क्विकली गो थ्रू करेंगे बिकॉज आई वांट टू गो टू रैशनलाइजेशन एंड द प्रैक्टिकल एप्लीकेशंस ऑफ सर्ड. 5 root 3 plus 2 root of 3. What does this give me? It's just like if I ask you 5 markers plus 2 markers. 7 what pens? 7 dusters, 7 markers. Is that right? So 7 square root of 3. If I give you 3 square root of 2 minus 2 square root of 2, what does this give me? 1 square root of 2, or which is just a square root of 2. बिल्कुल वही तो मैं कह रहा हूँ. It's just like आप unknowns के साथ डील करते हैं. It's the same way. It's a number जिसकी वैल्यू आपको नहीं पता, and just to keep it in the exact value, this is how you are dealing with this. Is this clear? So ये हो गया हमारे पास addition and subtraction. Same होता है तो तभी add subtract कर सकते हैं. और else if I give you 5 square root of 3 minus 2 square root of 5. Now what? कुछ नहीं कर सकते. We cannot simplify this. This cannot be. It's just like I'm asking you 5 dusters minus 2 markers. क्या होगा? कुछ भी नहीं होगा. Dusters और markers cannot add or subtract. Is this clear or not? So they are unlike terms. They cannot be added or subtracted. Is this clear? Now let's go to surd multiplication. 5 square root of 2 multiplied by 2 plus 3 square root of 2. Now what? 5 square root of 2, when it multiplies by 2, what does it give me? 10 square root of 2. Now understand this. मैं इसको जरा दोबारा लिखता हूँ. 5 square root of 2 will multiply by 3 square root of 2. सही है? So ये पहला वाला तो is 10 square root of 2. And this will be 15, and square root 2 multiplied is square root 4 or just 2. आराम से समझेंगे. No need to hurry. कोई जल्दी नहीं है हमें. हम आराम से समझने पे फोकस रखेंगे. Take your time, write this down, and then ask me whatever you are unable to understand. और से मेरी बात सुन. सब फोकस करो वरना नहीं समझ आएगा. 2 times 3 is? What is the power of 3? What is the power of 3? Only then you multiply them and tell me it's 6. 2 into 3 square. Listen, I do not want the answer right now. Can I multiply 2 and 3 and write 6? नहीं कर सकता. Reason, 2 has a power, 3 has a power. They cannot, the basis cannot multiply. So how do you find the value of this? Very good. You find the square of 3, which is, and then this leads to, dobara, what is the power of 2? What is the power of 9? So the bases multiply 2 and 9. Why are 2 and 9 multiplying? Their powers are same, and the resulting number also has the same power. Does this make sense? Very basic, very logical, very common. Now if I give you 2q times 3q. Very good. 6q. फिर वही मैं बार बार कह रहा हूं, if you are not able to understand, if you are trying to fix something you have memorized on this, कभी नहीं सीख पाओगे. What did I tell you from the very beginning? कहीं मैंने powers add की, 2 और 3 की power add होकर 6 square हुआ. You were not paying attention because you thought it is very easy. Not my piece of cake. मैं तो कर लूंगा, मेरे लिए तो कोई मसला ही नहीं है भाई. अब यहाँ आया तो मैं powers add कर रहा हूँ because I do not know what the concept is being delivered in the class. Same thing, na? You are not focusing. You are not through ऑन द जर्नी विथ मी, आप बीच में चढ़ गए ट्रेन में क्योंकि यू थॉट दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट, अब सीख लूं मैं। अभी भी नहीं समझ रहे हो, वेरी फार फ्रॉम द एक्चुअल कॉन्सेप्ट। हाँ देखो, नाउ इफ आई गिव यू, लीव द फाइनल आंसर छोड़ दो, इफ आई गिव यू 5 स्क्वायर टाइम्स 2 स्क्वायर, रॉन्ग, क्या कर रहे हो? I do not want the answer. I just want to know what can you do with this? Because the powers are, base तो same नहीं कर सकते. The powers are same. So can I multiply the bases? Can I write it as 10 square? Why am I multiplying the bases and how am I multiplying the bases? Because the powers are, do we have an agreement on this? कभी नहीं होता, कभी नहीं होता, इसलिए subtract में भी नहीं जा रहा. I'm being very specific about multiplication. When do I multiply the bases? 2 और 3 multiply के 6 होते हैं. क्यों होते हैं? How can I multiply 2 and 3? Because their powers are 2 और 3 square. तो आपने multiply नहीं किया था. क्यों नहीं किया था? Why did you not multiply this 2 and 3 square? 2 और 3 को क्यों नहीं multiply किया? Power same नहीं है. So bases only multiply when powers are same. This is the concept I'm trying to derive. Is this clear or not? Bases only, it's very logical, it's very common. इसमें कोई आसमानी बात तो नहीं बता रहा हूं. Bases only multiply when the powers are same, and bases multiply okay, give you one single base and power same रहती है, powers add नहीं होती इसमें भाई. Try to understand power. What does power mean? Very good. So if I'm telling you 5 square and 10 into 2 square, that means 10 square. 10 अपने आप से 2 दफा multiply हो रहा है, क्योंकि 2 भी 2 दफा हो रहा था, 5 भी 2 दफा हो रहा था, तो टेक्निकली 10 अपने आप से 2 दफा मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है. इज दिस क्लियर और नॉट? वेरी लॉजिकल, वेरी इजी टू अंडरस्टैंड. सही है. नाउ स्क्वायर रूट 2, स्क्वायर रूट 2, स्क्वायर रूट 3. Okay, first write them in index notation. How else can you write them? In index notation. Very good. 2 to the power. This is index notation. ये भी लिख लो, ये भी नहीं आता. 3 की पावर 1/2. Not to worry, आप सीख लो, कोई बात नहीं. ये index notation है. When you write powers like this is called in. Do they have the same power? Can the bases multiply? Make sense? Logic justified? So when I told you, now इसको समझने के 2 तरीके. मैंने ये generalize लिए बताया. Square root 2 times square root 2. Do they have the same power? Can the bases multiply? So the answer is square root of, which is basically 2. एक और तरीका, 2 की पावर half times 2 to the power half. Now when the bases are same, what happens to the powers? जब bases same होती हैं and the numbers are multiplying, what happens to the power? The powers add. उस तरीके से भी आप देखेंगे, half plus half, so it becomes 2 to the power 1, which is just 2. कि 2 के साथ तो 2 काम कर सकते हैं, but what if the numbers in the surd are different? What if it's square root of 2 and square root of 3, square root 2, square root 5, then what? इसलिए कह रहा हूं पहले ये वाली बात समझो. Then adding the powers is secondary. You can apply that in surds as well. कभी कभार ही होगा, that will not always be an option. Is this clear? Does this make sense? सही है. तो ये चीज प्राइमरी समझो, ये आप समझ लेंगे क्योंकि कभी कभार ही होगा ना. So focus on this when you are dealing with surds. If they are in the same root, तो bases multiply हो रही है. Now over here, what's it? तब हो सकता है, वो हर दफा होगा क्या? Will that be always be the case? जब होगा तब कर लेंगे, इसलिए उसको भी मैंने ऐसे किया. Is this the wrong answer? तो because surd में I want you to develop a habit कि when the powers are same, I can directly multiply the bases. Following that habit, I wrote root 4. Right? फिर root का 4 2 automatic आ गया. But if I only focus on adding the powers, that can only be applied when the bases are same. Third में क्या हमेशा same bases मिलेंगी? फिर फंस जाऊंगा ना मैं. Is this clear? Now, यहाँ पे there are 4 things that are multiplying. क्या 4 चीजें मल्टीप्लाई हो रही हैं? 5, √2, 3 and √2. There are 4 things that are multiplying with each other. What 4 things? दोबारा से 5, if I rearrange them, does the answer change in multiplication? क्या हो गया? 2 times 3 times. If I change the order, does the answer change? So multiplication में order change होने से answer change. किसमें? Multiplication में. किसमें? So there are 4 things that are multiplying over here. Can you tell me what 4 things? 5 or 3 have the same power. That becomes 5 3s are, and √2 have the same power. That becomes √4, which is eventually, and 15 2s are. Clear है नहीं है?